come back here all the time, and sometimes I don't have a tape measure. So let me show you how to make that easy for yourself anywhere in your garden area or even around your house if you sneaky where you put these at. I need a good spot. Found one, I need to move you. Okay guys, this is our spot. Most of the time when I'm back here, I just eyeball stuff, but as you can see, I'm not the best at eyeballing it. And even though this isn't that crucial, just to be consistent, I know I'm gonna have a bunch of short ones and a bunch of long ones so I can match them up later. But here's the easy way. Again, we finna Jimmy rig it, baby. We're gonna go down to the ground. Actually, we're not even gonna go down to the ground because this has a little lip right here. And so all I'm gonna do is go from that spot and I'm gonna come up and I'm going to mark 2 feet. Then I'm gonna mark 4 feet. Now I'm marking 2 feet, 4 feet, and I'm gonna go ahead, since I'm here, for the 6 feet one, I'm gonna go to the ground because I'm not tall. So the 6 foot one is measured off the ground. The others are measured off the lip of the pipe, but that's not a problem. So I'm gonna mark this for 6 feet. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mark each one of these. And you know what? While I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and mark 1 foot just in case because I'm here. So there's 1 foot and 18 inches. So starting right here at this lip, from here to here is 12 inches. From here to here is 12 inches. Here, from here to here is 18 inches. So that's going to mean that from 12 inches to 18 inches, we got 6 inches in there. So by default, we just mark that off. From here to here is 2 feet, 4 feet, and for the 6 foot mark, 6 foot is from here all the way at the bottom. What I'm going to do is just write that in here. Now when I'm back here and I need something measured and I don't have the tape measuring, instead of me Jimmy rig eyeballing it, I'll just come over here to my story pole, which is basically somewhere where measurements are for you to be consistent. Number one, I can now measure this by going to the bottom there. Oops, this is a 4 foot pole. Now that I know that it's 4 feet and I want it in half, all I have to do is come down here to the 2 foot mark and mark it off. Simple. Now I can cut this. Just that easy. So I'm going to write in which each one of these are with instructions. I know what they are, but if my husband is back here or somebody else, they won't know. So we got to put some instructions on this so that everybody knows what it is. What we have is this start with a star, and this is a start with an asterisk. 12 inches, 18 inches, 2 feet. Remember, it's 2 feet from here to here, this start. From that start, we got our 2 foot, we have our 4 foot. Our 6 foot, which is up here, starts, our 6 foot, which is up here, starts at the star. And that star is all the way down there. And now I can get back to work cutting these pipes and then cutting them correctly and evenly.